today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your SiriusXM app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps this here until you're looking for SiriusXM app, or just click on search. Then here add SiriusXM, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this is click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage here. You come to storage, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store. So then here you search here for SiriusXM. It's going to show for you like this. You will find update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.